Hello. Halo. Gak bisa dengar. I cannot hear you. Halo. I still cannot hear you. I cannot hear your voice. I cannot hear your voice.
Check, check.
Hello.
Hi, can you listen to my voice now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now you can turn on your camera. Okay, Stanley, how are you today?
Good.
Good. Okay, have you had your breakfast?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what's your activity after doing this course?
I
This,
don't.
nothing? Nothing to do? Just stay at
Yeah.
home?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yes, Stanley, yesterday I couldn't attend the class because I was sick. Okay, so today I will conduct again the class. And then, yeah, yesterday you did the review with Miss Yudhishti, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then just about two topics. So today our goal is doing the review again. Okay? Yeah, so next meeting we can directly start our uh, grade six lesson. Okay. Well, Stanley, before we start our review, I want to give you like a mini game. So let me share the screen first.
Okay.
Okay. So now it's like guessing the country based on the landmark that is shown here. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'm showing you a landmark and please guess. Oh, sorry. This is the example, yeah? Just now it's in Brazil. Okay. So the next one,
Russia.
Russia. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay. Correct. Next. This is easy.
China.
China. Okay. Next.
I forgot what country. Is it India? I forgot.
Okay. What's the name of the building?
I don't know.
You don't
Also.
know. It's Taj Mahal. Yes, that's correct. It's in India.
Oh.
This is easy.
It's in Australia.
Australia. Okay, next.
Um, is that
Where is it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, let's see. The answer key. It's Peru. It's not like uh mainstream place. Okay, this is easy. Where is it?
Egypt.
Egypt. Sorry, I haven't shown you. Okay, this one?
That's in Italy.
Italy. Okay, that's correct. More places. Ah,
France.
this is very mainstream. Where?
France.
France. Okay, the last one.
That's I ever see it, but I don't know what country is it in.
Probably you can say like in which continent is that? Like Europe, America, or where? Or Asia?
I think it's in North America.
America. Okay, let's see. Is the country is in America? Is the country in America or not?
North America.
No, it's
England.
not England. Later we see again. Okay, what is the name of the place? I actually have no clue as well about this.
Oh,
Okay. Well, let's leave this game. Now let's take a look our goal today. Okay. Yeah. Previously, previously you learned about the numbers, right? Numbers, and then about the fraction as well. Remember, yesterday you review about fraction. Yeah,
yeah.
number and the number operation and then fraction. And then Miss Desti said you found difficulty when doing adding fraction. Isn't it?
Yeah, because I forgot how to add somehow.
Okay. But how about now?
Yeah, I remember.
Can you do that? Have you remember?
I think yeah.
You think yes? Okay, let me test you first. I'm going to open the whiteboard. Okay, this is for adding the fraction with two different denominators. Is that the fraction with different denominators? Okay, so please tell me. The first, I'm giving you 2/3 and then plus, let's say here, 1/4. Okay, we have two fractions with different denominators here. So what is the first step before we add these two fractions? What must
First,
we do? Mhm.
make the denominator same by uh 3 times 4, which is 12.
Okay, so both we make it into per 12. Then the change of the first fraction become
Then the change of the numerator is um 8.
8. Where do you get that from?
I first 12 divided by 3, which is 36 by 12, which is 4, and then 4 times 2, which is 8.
Okay, that's correct. Steps. Okay, so the second one, what is the new fraction?
3,
Okay, 3. So finally we get
11, 12.
11, 12. Okay. So you are able to do this now, right? Okay.
Yes.
The same as the subtraction, okay? Addition and subtraction have the same rules. You
Yeah.
have to make sure the denominators are equal firstly before you add. Okay, so now we are going to continue our review about decimal. Okay, let me open about the decimal. Now you have three decimals and then you have to add all of them. Should I explain firstly or you try first?
I plus decimal.
Yeah, we add the decimals here.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to take your paper and pencil first to count?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm waiting for you.
None of my answers are in the multiple question choices. I think I'm wrong.
Okay. So there are four options here. Which one is correct?
I don't, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So the first one, we have 14.5, and then we have 0.67, and the last one we have 3.008.
Hmm.
Okay. So do you still remember the rules when adding the decimals? Do you know the rule? Yes or no?
Wait. Can Miss give me one more time? I want to calculate again.
Okay, I give you time, Stanley.
Is it, uh,
Which one?
it's C, confident.
Confidence. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I want to remind you here, uh, when you add the decimal, please remember to line up the dot. Okay.
Okay.
So 14.5. Nah, okay. The second decimal, right? There are three digits, right? 0, 6, 7, right? Do
Yeah.
not make like this. Okay. Yeah. The first thing to do, uh, you better write the decimal point first. Then, you make sure the position of each number or digit. Six below five, seven on the right side, and zero below four. Did you the same thing?
I did, I added z two zeros behind the five though. And then
Okay. And then,
for the 667, I added a zero behind it, while the 3008, I just keep it normally like that.
okay, that's good steps. Yes, after you line up the dot, you can add extra zero behind because it doesn't change the value of the decimal. Yeah, just want to help you that this three to make it easier to line up all the digits in each place. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, good. So you have understood how to add and subtract. Actually, subtraction the same, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, they have the same rules. Okay, so let's move on. Now we are going to multiply the decimal by a whole number. Do you want to try it first?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna wait.
It's
One?
Is it B?
Yes, correct. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, please explain to me how do you get that?
It just times it normally.
Uh,
Multiply it normally. But
456 times 40.
yeah, 4.56. I
Okay.
just put it decimal like that.
Uh-huh. And then put 40 like this.
Yeah, like that.
Uh-huh. Okay. Then you get how many after you process this?
We get 0.
This one, zero,
Yeah, 0.
zero. The below one,
The below one. And then I did plus 0.
like this.
Yeah, like that.
Here,
Mm. And then for that is 24.
four.
The 2 put on, yeah, the 5.
Then,
And then 5. And then I did 5 times 4, which is 20. And then plus 2, which is 22.
so you put here. You write. You wrote how many? This,
Yeah, yeah.
how many?
22.
Two. 22 directly.
No, the 2 put on top of the 4.
Okay. Done.
Yeah, and then 4 times 4, which is 16 plus 2, which is 18.
18. Okay. Then you.
Then we find 18. Yeah, and I also put the decimal.
Okay, like this. So, how many decimal places here? How many digits behind the dot?
How many digits behind the dot?
Mhm.
By this calculation or by the multiple choice?
I mean the result here, right? 18,240. So where is the position of the dot or the decimal point?
Uh, it's
Between
it's at it's it's at
with
the 182. Like
this one
no, oh yeah.
after 182. So this one
Yeah,
here,
after yeah, like that.
like that. Okay. So yeah, in the choices, right? It's the same as 182.4. Yeah. Okay, that's correct. Stanley, yeah, when we multiply the decimal by the whole number, we can multiply normally. After that, please add the decimal places based on the question. In the question here, we have two decimal places, right?
Yeah.
4.56. So the answer must have two decimal places as well. That's why here we put the dot uh, here between 2 and 4. So we got two decimal places or two digits behind the dot. Okay. So
Okay.
you have understood the concept already?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Now let's see. Um, wait. This is wait. Yeah. I want to take the question, the basic first. Yeah. If we still have time later, we do the word problem. Now I want you to do the division. Divide the decimal by a whole number. Do you want to do it first?
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it by
Okay.
myself if I
Okay.
can.
Okay. Okay.
14.1.
14.1. Okay, so can you tell me a bit how do you solve this? How did you solve this?
I divided like long division.
Like long division, like normal long division, like this?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, so and then one more thing that you have to make sure the number of the dot here based on the question, right?
Mm.
Okay. So if we have the question here, one digit after the dot, so the answer must be like that as well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now let's take a look the next. Nah, this is easy. Just round to the two decimal places only. So the number will be
Wait.
okay.
15.79.
Okay, this
Eh,
one.
wait.
But you are right.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Because here the digit in the thousands is five. So round up or round down?
Round up.
Round up. So you have to put 79. And then one more, if you read the decimal, Stanley, I just want to remind you that when you read the digit after the dot, please do not read like you read the whole number. But you
Mm.
have to mention the digit one by one. 79. Please do not say 79. Okay?
Okay.
Because the value of 7 here is not 70. It's 7 tenths and 900. So we just mention the digit one by one. Okay?
Okay.
Next, oh, now it's already about the triangle. Wait, I'm going to see that first. After we talk about the decimal, oh yeah, just talk a bit about you learn about the triangle, the area of triangle, right? In primary five. Still remember?
Triangle.
The area of triangle, still remember?
Wait.
You have learned about this in grade five, right? Still remember or not? I draw here a triangle.
And then the inside, right?
Yeah, the inside, the size of the inside, it's called the area. What is this called from here to here? Still remember the term?
Which one?
This the length of this side from here to here, from here to here. What is this
Yeah.
called? What is
Uh,
this called? Still
I think
remember? Still remember or not?
I.
This is called base, and then the distance from the base
Sorry.
to the point above. What is this called?
It's called height.
Height, that's true. So what is the formula of area of triangle?
Base times height.
Base times height. And then you forgot one thing, one more step. After you multiply the base and the height, you have to
Minus.
divide by
Divide by. I don't know.
divide by 2.
Oh.
Yeah, because actually you got the concept of triangle actually from the square. We can see the square. When you split the square like this, huh?
Oh.
Okay. Let's say this is square or triangle. As we know that this is like length times the, let's say here, the width, right? Nah, because it's triangle, so it just takes the half. Okay? That's why
Then
here we have to divide by 2. Did you get this?
with
Okay.
length times breadth times.
Yeah, length times breadth. Sometimes it's length times width. Okay. But the point is this
Oh.
one, the length of this and this one. Yeah, this must be perpendicular or the angle must be 90 degree. Yeah. So perpendicular between the length and the width.
Hmm.
Okay, so the same as the base and the height in the triangle, they must be perpendicular. Okay, do you get, Stanley, or a bit confused?
I think I understand now because I used to learn it in term two, but
Mm-mm.
usually term three we don't use term two topics anymore. That's why I forget it so that
Ah,
uh I can remember term three topics easier.
Okay, that's okay. So after I remind you a bit here, so you have understood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So based on this formula, let's take a look at the question. A triangle has base 12 centimeter and a height 8 centimeter. So what is its area? Yeah.
The area is
Mm-hmm.
12 times 8 is wait. I mean yeah. And then is it 48, right?
Okay, let me click on it. Yes, perfect. You got the correct answer. Okay, next. This is the same question, so I skip. Nah, so now we are talking about the volume. Still remember the volume?
It also used to be term 2.
Okay, so yes, recall your memory. What is the volume? This is okay, a rectangular tank, or what do we call this rectangular tank? 3D shape. What kind of 3D shape is this? What is the name? Still remember?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Yes, this is cuboid. So this has the size of 20. Let's say here 15, then this is 10. I'm sorry if the proportion is not the same as the size here. But how to find the volume of this cuboid?
Uh,
What should you do? We have to,
is it filled to the brim?
sorry?
Is the volume is the volume is is the volume filled to the brim, like filled until it's full?
That's true. Yeah.
Oh
If
yeah, okay.
if the area in the size of inside the 2D shape, volume is the size of inside the 3D shape. Yeah. So it's like you fill up with with water until it's full. So
Okay.
it's volume. Do you want to calculate first?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Is it 3,000 centimeters?
3,000 centimeters cubic. Yeah. 3,000. Okay. That's right. How do you get this? You do
Multiplication.
multiplication of the whole size. Yeah. Okay, that's correct. Length, let's say the length of the base times the width, and then times the height of the cuboid. Okay, because it's three dimensional shape, right? So it's not only the length and the width, but it has the height as well. The height of the 3D shape. This is the height. Okay. So do you have question about this, Stanley?
No.
No. Okay. Let's move on to the next part. This is now we have to find out the cube. By the way, what is the difference of the cube and the cuboid? What is the difference between these two, cube and cuboid? If cube, what is the property or like the characteristic? Hmm.
You
Yeah.
the corner it has 90 degree angle from the
Okay, it's correct. Besides about the corner or the angle,
and then uh all sides are parallel
how about the size of the side?
parallel.
Parallel. Okay. Yeah. Some. Okay. You can mention that as well. And then the different thing between this. Okay, probably I need to draw so you can see directly the difference. So sorry if my line is not straight here. Okay, so the difference between the cube and the cuboid.
A cube and a cuboid.
Yeah, that's very, 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 very important. Important difference between them.
Mm.
My question, okay, I'm gonna add the question. If H means right, this one. If one of the H is 6 centimeter, how about this H? The length will be,
Is it
is it is it equal or different for cube?
equal?
Equal. Okay. How about the height?
Also equal.
Also equal. So that's the specific thing about a cube. Yeah. Okay. If you see the 2D shape of the cube or the surface of the cube, it comes from what shape?
What do you mean? From what shape?
The surface of the cube. It comes from what shape?
Square.
Square, that's it. Yeah. The specific thing about square, all the sides are equal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same as the cube because the surface of the cube comes from square, so all the edges of the cubes are equal as well. Okay? So when we know that part, can you find the volume of this cube? Can you find the volume of this cube, Stanley?
Um, the volume.
Yeah, the volume. Do you want to calculate first?
Yeah.
Okay.
216.
216
16.
centimeter. Okay. Very good, Stanley. Yeah, you just need to multiply 6, 6, and 6. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, so this is the basic concept of volume for cube and cuboid. Okay, so now let's move on. Nah,
Yeah.
okay. Sekarang pertanyaannya a bit different. Just now we are finding the volume of cuboid, but now we are going to find out the height of the cuboid.
Okay.
Okay, so please try it first to calculate, please.
It's 6.
How do you get 6?
I just 8 times 5, which is 40, and then 240 divided by 40, which is uh 6.
Okay. Okay, correct. You find it, yeah, when the question is different, you already got the concept of the volume, yeah. So if we want to find the height, we just divide the volume by the length and the width. Okay,
Mhm.
that's correct. Okay, do you have questions so far?
No.
No, okay. Now we are going to see, just now we have finished the volume. I will take the question about the ratio. The ratio in which term
Term two also.
did you learn? Oh, okay, still term two, yeah, because I start this from the beginning. Okay, I review from the beginning, yeah, to remind you. Okay, so do you need explanation a bit about the ratio?
Yeah, because I
Okay,
forgot.
I forgot. Okay, if we talk about the ratio, it means we compare. Yeah. If fraction, right, we compare the part with the whole parts, right? But the ratio, we compare one thing to another thing. Usually, we use this kind of form. Boys compared to girls. Now, this is the ratio, 3 to 4. So, if I give you the illustration, it's like I draw here three boxes for the boys. For every three boxes for the boys, there are four boxes for the girls. This is like the illustration. Okay. Now we have here, it's given the real number of the boys. If there are 15 boys here, so we can say that sorry, this is boy just now, this is girl. If these three boxes, the value of these three boxes is 15. Now, the question is how many girls?
I think I know the answer.
So, how many girls?
20.
20. How do you get 20?
Because the boys, uh, there are three boxes and the value is 15. So, but when I times five, it also like five times three is which is 15. So one box is 5%.
That's
So when I go to the girls, I just do the multiplication of 5 for each boxes, like 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20.
okay. That's correct explanation. Very good explanation, Stanley. Yes, the first thing to do, you have to find out the value of one unit. Yeah, to find out that, you can divide 15 by 3. So you get a 5 for each unit because girl has 4 units. So you have to multiply 4 by 5. So you get 20. Okay, this is the basic concept of the ratio. Yeah, if I give you the illustration. But here we can have like the shortcut or the faster way to calculate the problem of the ratio. After you, okay, I have 3 steps here. The first, Stanley, you can write down the names of each item.
Mm.
Okay, what are we comparing here? We compare the boys to the girls. So you can write down the name of them. After you write down them, you write down the ratio given. Here, the ratio is given in the question. So directly write 3. 3 is for the boys and 4 is for the girls. Please be careful. The ratio, the position of the number really matter here. Okay? Yeah,
Uh,
if they put like 3 first and then 4 first, it means 3 for the boys, 4 for the girls. It's very, very strict. Yeah. Do not change the position of the ratio. Then after you write down the ratio, you can write down here the real numbers of the item, or here the person about the boys and the girls. Here is given 15 boys, so you write down 15 below the 3. Now, after this, you can see directly the relation between the number. The relation between the number like this. 3 to 15. How many times bigger?
many times bigger.
How many times bigger? 3 to 15.
5.
5 times bigger. So, it must be the same for the girls. The girls must be 5 times bigger as well. So, you get 20. So, this is the faster way.
Mm.
Okay? Do you get
Okay.
this?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's move on. I hope there is a similar question for the next slide. Sebentar ya. I take the question that is related to what I said just now. Okay. This is just simplify the ratio first. Like you simplify the fraction. What is the simplest form of 24 to 36?
Okay. It's it's 2/3.
Okay, that's correct. Nah, this one. But here there are three persons, yeah. Kasih, Devita, and Nafit.
Kasih, Devita, Nafit,
Do,
zero.
do you want to calculate first?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I will give you this clue. Kasih, Devita. Oh, I just give the initial letter. Kasih, Devita, Nafit. You can continue here.
Navit gets 40. No.
Hmm. Okay, how do you get 40?
Uh, I first find Devita. I divide by 2 only.
Okay.
Devita,
Then?
I divide by 2, and then for Navit, I just divide by 3 again. That's why I was wrong.
Okay, so here. Okay, so here, by the way, I'm asking you, 120 stickers here is about what?
100. What do you mean? How much? What do you mean?
Is it, does this belong to Kasih only, Devita only, or Nafit only, or three of them
Sharing.
sharing? Yeah, so it means the total, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, when you find this kind of question, you can
Yeah.
add one more you can add one more thing here. This is the total. So Kasih compared to Devita and Nafit and then the total. Nah, if the ratio of Kasih is 1, Devita 2, Nafit 3. So what is the total of the ratio? 1 plus 2 plus 3.
1 plus 2 plus 3.
Mm-mm.
6.
6, right? Yeah, it's like just now like I drew one box, two boxes, three boxes, right?
Yeah.
So the total of the boxes is six boxes. And then six boxes, the value of six boxes is 120.
Hmm.
So can you see the relation here? When the six boxes is 120.
Yeah.
So can you see that the 6 to 120, how many times bigger?
By 20.
Yeah, or we can say that one box stands for 20 stickers, right? So
Yeah.
now we can calculate for Nafit. How do we calculate Nafit sticker?
Uh,
Nafit has three boxes. So
3 times 20.
yes, 3 times 20 is?
60.
60. Did you get this already?
Yes.
Yeah, so if I add the questions, how about Devita? How many stickers does she have?
Devita.
Mm-mm. Devita, how many?
She has 40.
40. How about Cassie?
Kasi 20.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay,
Yeah.
did you get this already?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, this is just like the application of the ratio. So I better skip this because I want to teach you the Hmm. Okay, now we talk about the percent. Percent in term what? In what term? Term to S.
3.
Term T already. Okay, yeah. So let's take a look. Now you have to express this fraction as percentage. Still
Okay.
remember or not?
I can remember. Okay.
Okay, so try it.
80%.
Yeah, how do you get 80%? How did you get 80%?
Uh, First, I put 4, 5, and then equal 100. The denominator is 100.
Denominator is 100.
And then 5 times 20 equals 100. So for the numerator, I 4 times 20. 20 times 4, which is equal to 80.
So this is
So it
80.
is 80%.
Okay, so yeah, you still memorize that the percentage means per 100.
Mm,
You still remember that percentage means per 100?
100.
Yeah, that's true. That's why
Uh,
here you change the denominator directly become 100 like that.
okay.
Okay, so very good. Still remember this concept. Okay, so
Thank you.
now we are going to find out the percentage of the whole number. How about 15% from 400? Do you want to calculate first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
60.
Oh, that's cool. You're correct. Can you please tell me how did you arrive at this answer?
So first, since 100%,
Sorry?
write 100%,
Okay.
write equal 400,
Okay.
and then after that, di bawahnya, I write 1% equal 400 divided by 100 equals to 4. And then and then write 50% equal 15 times 4 equals to 60.
Okay, that's very good explanation, Stanley. You remember this very well. Yes. To make it easier, we can find out the size or the value of 1% first. Yeah.
Hmm.
Then we get 4. After that, we can multiply by 15 because we are going to find 15%. Okay,
Oh,
very good. You understand this very well. Okay. Now I want to ask you a bit about the average. Still remember average?
yeah.
Okay. By the way, how to find out the average?
Uh, plus uh plus all the numbers
And then?
divided by the like ini there is four numbers, so I plus all of them and then divided by four.
Okay, good. You still remember. Okay, please calculate. So you do here just now total number divided by the data. Okay, there are four here. The number of the data. There are four data here. Okay, that's correct.
It's 83.
83. Okay, let's check. Okay, correct. So now let's take a look. We have found this. This is just about the average. I skip first because like the application. Oh ya, sebentar.
Yes, can I go to the toilet first? I cannot hold anyone.
Okay, Stanley, you can go.
Hello.
Hello. Uh,
I'm
you're back.
yeah.
Okay, last time we have review about the quadrilateral, so I find out the different topic first. Okay, now try this one. Just now you tried to find the average, but now you have to find out one of the items value, the mass of the set. Okay, read the question first and then try to understand.
Average mass of three boxes is 12 kg. Okay.
Okay. Do you want to solve this by yourself first?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, try it.
Actually, I don't know. Usually during this questions, I always get it wrong during exams or tests.
Okay, just now, right? As we know, the average equals to the total number, okay, per the number of the data, right? Okay.
Yeah.
We just input each of the value here. Is the average given in the question?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we try to input 12 here. 12 equals to the total number. Okay. Here is the total number or amount. Here, okay, in this case, about the what the item is about what here?
It's 12 is the average.
12 is the average, and the item is about what? The item about the box, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Here the given. How many boxes is given here?
How many boxes?
Mm-hmm.
Two.
Okay. Yeah. Actually, two. The masses of two boxes are given, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can write down here 10 plus what?
10 plus 14.
14 plus unknown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then divide by how many? How many boxes in total here?
Three boxes.
Three boxes. Okay, now I already write down the story into the maths sentence here. So, before we find out the unknown mass of the box of one box here, so what must you do firstly?
10 plus 14.
10 plus 14. Yes, you may do that. What is
20.
24. So 12 equals to 24 plus something divided by 3.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? Can you do?
Is it divide by 3?
What divide by 3?
24.
You may not do that because there is an unknown value here.
Okay.
So you have to do it.
I don't know.
Okay, probably this kind of form is a bit confusing. So how if I change that? 12 equals to I put this thing into one in one bracket. So 24 plus something divided by 3. Nah. So if I want to find out here, what can I do with 12 and 3? Do you get? Or
What?
or I make it a bit simpler. How if I change this 24 plus something as a star? So I write here 12 equals to star divided by 3. So
Okay.
how do you find out the star value?
Uh,
What must you do with 12 and the 3?
12 divided by 3.
Are you sure? 12 divided by 3?
I don't really know. So
Okay, try it first. That's okay. We just do the trial here. 12 divided by 3, how many?
4.
4. So now let's substitute the value of 4 into the star. Is that correct that 12 equals to 4 divided by 3? Is that
Um,
correct?
4 times.
Uh, you say 4 times just now. So the correct thing is
Um,
self division is not correct, right? So to
no,
find the star, we have to do it.
you have to
12 divided by 3 is not correct. So
minus.
minus.
I don't know. Um,
What is the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
So to find out the star, we can do
Multiplication.
yeah, 12 times
12 times 3.
equals to
36.
36. Now let's check. Is that correct that 36 divided by 3 is 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, so your star value is correct already. So here we know that the value of the star is 36. So we put it back here that 24 plus something equals to star. As we know that the star is 36. So how to find the unknown here? The unknown value? 24 plus something equals to 36. So what is something value here?
Wait. Well,
How do you get that?
I guess 36 months only for.
Yeah, that's it. That's the correct way. So now I am trying to click yes. So have you understood already, or this is a bit complicated for you that you need time to understand?
A bit complicated that
A bit
one.
complicated. Okay. Yeah, a bit complicated. But have you understood the explanation?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So you told to me just now that when you did the question in the school about this, you got the wrong.
yeah, I never really understand.
Okay. Yeah, because actually you do the we usually write find out the average here. But now we are going to find out one of the value here. So that's why. Yeah. Okay. I think this
Okay,
is related to the algebra that we are going to do after this. Yeah, this is related to algebra because we are finding the unknown value here. Okay.
okay.
So, do you have questions, Stanley?
I don't have questions.
You don't have questions, so I erase this because our time here is already 1 hour. I
Yeah.
think about the we last time already review about the quadrilateral. About the triangle, are you still confused?
No.
No. How about the data? Handling data?
Data
Mm-mm.
anymore.
Not
I
any.
did recall.
How about the measurements, like converting the unit of the length, like centimeter, meter, or
No.
no, not really. Okay. So that's already correct, right? I reviewed the term one and the term two lesson, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have still remember the materials of term three and four, right?
Mm.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, I stop sharing first. Okay, so since you don't have any questions, so now it's time for you to fill up the reflection.
Sure.
Did you save the link before, or should I send you the link again in the column chat?
I never saved the link because it's my mom's laptop.
Oh, you never saved the link. Okay, so now you can click on link in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. Still remember the login and the password?
No.
No. Okay. So let me check first.
What Miss Udesti didn't didn't ask me to do the reflection though.
Oh, oh, probably she forgot, dear.
Oh,
Yeah, probably she forgot.
okay. Let's go.
Also, you skipped the reflection yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's okay. Should do you need the login and the password info?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And I'm going to copy paste into your.
Can Miss just read that out loud?
Okay, okay, wait. Okay,
Okay.
for the login is double S, and then Stanley, S
What?
is
Okay,
S,
Miss.
S,
S
S,
capital or capital?
not capital, S,
S
and then Stanley, and
then
as your name, like Stanley, and then A1, no space at all.
A1. Okay.
A1. Okay, for the password, 84, type in number
Eight four
8419.
one nine.
Nine, and then last letter is N, small letter.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Login.
Yeah. If there is a choice like save your login info, you can save it.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, let's go to misi. No, no.
Mari kita simpulkan pelajaran 4, if I'm not wrong.
Oh,
Mhm.
Oke, mari kita simpulkan empat. Oke,
Yeah.
apakah? Yes. Oke. Apakah mau? Next. I'm done.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay, I have a question. Will you join maths competition in Algo, Nova?
I don't know yet.
Did your mom tell you?
Yeah.
Will you join or not?
I don't really know. I think not yet. I don't want to join yet. Too early.
Too early.
Mm,
The last chance for registering is this Tuesday, 30 June.
uh, mm,
Mm. Okay, I suggest you like just join it, like
why?
to get the new experience of doing the maths, just like normal math. Yeah,
Mm,
like the basic. Okay.
mm,
Yeah, you can remind your parent to join to help
okay.
you. Yeah, to do the registration. Okay,
Yeah.
Stanley. Well, next meeting we are going to learn about your grade six lesson because today we have finished our review. Okay, so when will you start your class for the grade six?
Grade six. I don't
Uh-uh.
know. I don't know what we learn.
15 July?
15 July.
15.
What do you mean?
You start your school. This is still holiday?
2020.
Oh, 20
Which
July. Okay, okay. Still long. So, okay. So, see you next Saturday.
hmm.
Okay, have a nice weekend, Stanley. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.